Right, so the plant you see by the window is Momordica foetida. I just pray that the winter season do not kill this plant because it has taken a lot of care to get it to the level it is. I'm just scared of the temperature of the winter season. But in any case, the leaves of this plant is eaten in Gabon and Malawi, and the fruits are also said to be edible in Ghana, somewhere in Gabon, and then also in Sudan. Now, the Edo people of Nigeria are also said to drink this very leaf sap for intestinal disorders. And then in Ivory Coast, the Ivorians treat smallpox diseases with this plant too. The other thing is that the venom of the spitting cobra can be prevented by promptly rubbing the skin with crushed leaves of this plant and also chewing them. So in other words, the plant is also used as treatment for snake bite. But enough about those efficacies, because we can all see and actually confirm how powerful this plant is. It is also believed that this plant drives away evil forces, which is one of my motivation for planting this very plant around the window. I'm just hoping and praying that any evil forces that is surrounding my home will be driven away by this plant. That is, if it's true that the plant is able to drive away evil forces. But I'm not going to doubt the power in this plant to drive any evil forces, because you see, back then our forefathers used some of this plant to do so many things. Our fathers and forefathers survived with this plant and many other plants before Western medicine came. And so today we adapt Western medicine, but one thing we need to know is that we do not have to throw away the wisdom of our fathers. You see, if you look back, you realize that our fathers used to live very long and were not afflicted by diseases that we see our body systems get afflicted with today. Could it be because we have stopped practicing some of the things that they used to practice, or have lost the wisdom to be able to identify the uses of the plant that surrounds us? It's very painful to see somebody going through a certain sickness or ailment without treatment. You see, and it is also very, very painful when somebody falls sick or ill and do not have money to afford Western treatment. But you see, if we can go back to some of these things, we'll be able to save our human race.